2. Robot definition. So what is a robot? Here we have several images, and we might know which ones are robots and which ones are not robots. But what is a description of a robot? How can we define a robot? There are some attempts for it. For example, the Robot Institute of America said that a robot is a reprogrammable and multifunctional manipulator designed to move materials, parts, tools, or specialized devices through various programmed motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. The Japanese Industrial Robot Association said that a robot is a device with degrees of freedom that can be controlled. More recently, the International Federation of Robotics in 2012 said that a robot is an actuated mechanism programmable in 2 or more axes with a degree of autonomy, moving with its environment to perform intended tasks. Autonomy is understood as the ability to perform intended tasks based on current state and sensing, and without human intervention. The first remark is that a robot includes the control system and interface of the control system. And a second remark is that the classification of a robot into industrial robot or service robot is done according to its intended application. So based on the previous definitions, we can say that a robot is a reprogrammable mechanism, and then we have the environment. And this reprogrammable mechanism has to interact with the environment through independent and intelligent actions to perform a variety of tasks. So the environment can be some surface on the moon, for example, or it can be some industrial application. From a visionary perspective, we can say that it is the intelligent connection between action and perception. Perception is needed because it will provide the robot information about the environment, and the robot can act according to the information that it has about its own environment. We can also say that it's where AI stands for artificial intelligence, meets the real world, because AI is basically software. So to materialize this software, we need that hardware. And in this case, the hardware is a robot.